Moringa, popularly called drumstick, is known as the miracle tree for good reason. Packed with nutrients and healing compounds, this humble vegetable might just be one of the most underrated superfoods on the planet. Let's dive straight in. A nutritional powerhouse. Drumstick leaves, pods, and seeds are loaded with vitamins and minerals. Gram for gram, the leaves contain more vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, and more potassium than bananas. They're also rich in vitamin A, iron, and protein, making moringa one of the most nutrient-dense plants available. This is why it's widely used to fight malnutrition in developing regions. Boosts immunity. Thanks to its high vitamin C and antioxidant content, moringa strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight off infections. Regular consumption may reduce the frequency of colds and other common illnesses, thanks to its antibacterial and antiviral properties. Supports heart health. Moringa helps lower bad cholesterol levels and reduces the risk of plaque buildup in arteries. Its potassium content supports healthy blood pressure, while antioxidants protect blood vessels from oxidative damage. Together, these effects make it a heart-friendly addition to any diet. Helps control blood sugar. Studies suggest that moringa can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Compounds like isothiocyanates play a role in regulating glucose metabolism, which may benefit people managing diabetes or prediabetes, alongside proper medical guidance. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, and moringa's rich supply of antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid helps combat it. This can support joint health, reduce swelling, and lower the risk of inflammation-related conditions over time. Good for skin and hair. Moringa oil, extracted from its seeds, is packed with antioxidants and fatty acids that nourish the skin and hair. It helps fight signs of aging, keep skin hydrated, and can strengthen hair follicles, which is why it's a popular ingredient in natural cosmetics. Side effects to watch out for. Despite its benefits, moringa isn't for everyone. Consuming too much can cause digestive issues like diarrhea or stomach upset. The root and bark contain compounds that may be toxic in large amounts and should generally be avoided. Pregnant women are advised to be cautious, as certain parts of the plant may stimulate uterine contractions. People on blood pressure or diabetes medication should also consult a doctor first, since moringa can amplify these effects. So there you have it. Drumstick truly earns its title as a miracle tree, packed with benefits, but best enjoyed in moderation. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health breakdowns, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.